We tried charging the Porsche's battery and unfortunately it didn't hold a charge, so we had to go out and buy ourselves a brand new battery, and now we have to put it in the car, which is a lot easier said than done when it comes to this Porsche Cayenne.
If you're new to the Lemon to Lambo challenge, it's where myself and James go from car to car, flipping until we can get that Lamborghini. Where we left you last time was we just purchased a Porsche Cayenne.
The best brand ever.
Yes, some may say. And it had a couple of issues, and today we're going to replace the battery, so I'll pass it over to James to tell you how easy that is.
So today we are changing the battery on our Porsche Cayenne S Hybrid, and you're probably wondering, guys, I've changed the battery before, I've seen it done before, it's no big deal. Well, it is a big deal on a Porsche Cayenne. Porsche, in their infinite wisdom, decided to put it underneath the passenger seat. So in order to get access to it, you need to remove said seat. So we'll change the battery today, and you can see German engineering at its finest. Alright, so next up we've just got to take the brackets off to actually hold the battery in place. So we've got one here and we've got one right under this loom, this big giant bolt thing. So just got to take those two off, and then you can go ahead disconnecting the negative and positive terminals, as well as the breather tube on the side. Before you disconnect it though, to keep all your settings, all your radio stations, all that kind of stuff, you can hook a battery up to the jumping point in the engine bay, and that way it keeps all the computers on, so then that way you don't lose any of your settings. But we'll whip this battery out and we'll replace it with a new one. So the Porsche Cayenne has a brand new battery and it is feeling much better about itself because of it. We've got a few faults that have seemed to remedy itself. Unfortunately, however, there are a few faults that still remain. Those being, there's a hybrid fault, a little thing pops off the dash saying hybrid fault in yellow. And there's a problem, it seems, with the gateway module. We've scanned the car. I'll get Morgan to throw up a couple of the screenshots of the codes. If you guys can help us out, that'd be great. But there's something to do with gateway, and then there's a problem with the
Brake
system sensor, something like that. It's not being able to, the signal from the brake position sensor is implausible according to the scan tool. But we'll throw those codes up here and show you guys, and if you have any idea on what it is, if you guys happen to be Porsche savvy, please let us know. We are in desperate need of finding out. But yes, the car is much happier. It drives beautifully. Everything seems to work. We still haven't recalibrated the height of the car yet, so that's something we still have to do, which is a fault on the car at the moment, is just the height. It's not enjoying things at the moment. But apart from that, the car's mint and in desperate need of a wash.
Yes.
So it looks like, while we bide our time trying to diagnose and figure out what's going wrong, what is causing these faults with the Porsche Cayenne, we'll give it some love, we'll give it a good wash, a good clean, and bring it back to the state it should be at for a car that's actually worth that much money.
Yeah.
So look forward to that. Boy, it needs it, and I'm looking forward to it. But we'll see you guys in the next episode where we'll be getting our hands dirty cleaning this Porsche Cayenne.